Where's it called, bro? There's definitely something cooking.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be fixing the exhaust on the Outback. I hope you like the wheel video. I kind of ended that weird. I kind of just like closed it off. Got like really busy, some shit happened, but yeah. So I'm heading out to my buddy James's house right now, and then he's working on his not his M3. He wishes, but his BMW has got a wide body. He's fixing the flares, cut more out so you can not rub as much. So. Cutting her up. What's up, Conway? Is that where it was before?
Yeah.
You actually did cut off a lot.
Yup. Definitely a lot.
This dude's car is smoking right now. I mean, you did a sick job with this.
Yeah, check it out. Let's see.
Holy. Where's it called, bro? There's definitely something cooking.
Chill.
It's down there.
Oh, it's in here. I've been feeling this, but it's hard to tell because this is in the sun now, so like this is all warm. But right.
How the BC's holding up?
Good.
Yeah, they're mint.
Is that thing even gonna fit?
Yeah. If you want to send it, I mean, it should help.
What?
It should help. Right?
It's not gonna be a humongous difference.
But if it's a little bit quiet, I don't mind if there's some rumble, but
some rumble, there's gonna be rumble.
There's gonna be a lot of rumble.
There's gonna be rumble. But it'll probably be a little bit quieter than
I mean, I'll pay you for the other one if we have to use it.
you put two in a line.
That'd be so funny.
Enough room?
Yeah. Oh, dude, the weld's so easy. Oh, it's like kind of. Is it disgusting? Dude, it could be just like that. Yo, that is so. It looks like a stock muffler, actually, just shiny.
So once you turn it on, see how it sounds.
No, it's gonna fall.
I'll hold it. See if it quiets it down before we do everything. It might rattle. It's gonna rattle on this, but.
Oh, yeah. I'll do it.
Rev it. It's still pretty loud. It sounds like your Subaru.
It sounds like a bug eye.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to send it, I'm so down.
Do it.
So I went to AutoZone. My buddy gave me this. With some clamps, some hangers, stock muffler. We're using the Harbor Freight Special Welder. It should be fine. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
Taking out the Harbor Freight welder for this? Oh yeah. Classy. That's the job done, man.
Yo, so what are these actually for? Like, this is for your Beamer, right? Well,
yeah,
obviously.
I was gonna put it in here, but I don't think I'm doing that now. Although I have a feeling after I put that other muffler in, I'm gonna be like, damn, I need a resonator.
You can buy it. If you're gonna get this thing again, because I at least owe you one.
I'll figure it out after. It's gonna have some sweet beads. Some dimes.
How's it look?
Hey, weld no problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's not that bad. This thing's gonna be crispy.
Yeah, man.
It's pretty good. Look at the fucking welds.
Pretty shitty welds and a lot of boogers, but it's together, man, and there's gonna be no leaks. Maybe some leaks.
It's fine. A little
Couple
JB
little
weld.
baby licks.
Load it with some JB weld, and it's good. These are pretty straight.
Yeah, not bad.
I'm impressed, Conway.
Let's put it back on. Yeah, it lines up. We're gonna have to make some sort of something to hold it up, though.
I can hold it if you can do it.
No, I mean to.
Oh well, dude, I got the hangers. Look, there's 2 hanger clips in there.
Yeah, no, I'm thinking right here. If you have a new piece of rubber, right?
Yeah, that's
so we can make a bracket come down and weld right to like in between that little pipe I put on.
It's fine. This is gonna be a solid little.
Let's start her up, man. Oh, wait. All right, go. All right. I don't think it makes it any quieter. No, bring it back. Well, yeah, we're gonna do it over here, though. Okay. Okay, you're good. Yeah.
Where?
This sway bar link is destroyed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like moving in and out of it. It's not even working.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yikes.
That's like, I don't even know. Come on, Warren. You're better than that.
Apparently not.
So the decision today was put the stock muffler back on.
For what?
Clean brake or the resonators. It's a no-brainer.
No brainer, dude. That's a stupid thing. Obviously no brainer. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Oh, yeah. Could be worse. Throw it out.
You know what? It's better than before.
Definitely quieter than before.
Definitely quieter than before. It kind of sounds good, I feel
Sounds like a Subaru.
Yeah, it sounds like an old classic Subi.
Definitely quieter.
Aisle 7 or 8 you worked there. Where you find these tips?
Yeah, I think 6.
Aisle 6, muffler tip.
You're leaving this on. Hope you know that.
Fucking way. I hope it falls off.
No, I gotta get a wrench. Yeah, man.
How much horsepower gains with this?
At least 25 and not 100.
Oh my god, that looks so terrible.
That's hilarious. Photoshop.
Yeah, this is, you know, this is quality.
It's amazing. Looks good. That is awesome.
Alright, so we're going for a test drive. Master Mechanic Conway. Solid welds.
Windows down on this one.
Is this actually gonna make a difference?
Hear that little exhaust leak somewhere.
Oh, yeah. It's definitely quieter. Even just doing that, it's a lot quieter.
Oh, yeah. That sounds good.
Might actually have some, oh, this,
Yeah.
some Subi, you know.
Some Sudi pedigree, man.
Oh, it's definitely better, 100%. So much better. I'm not even kidding, it's so much quieter. It looks disgusting, but it works. It's still got the grumble, it's actually perfect. Yo, good job, Con.
Dude, sounds like a Subi,
It
bro.
sounds like a Subi, it's quiet, it's perfect. I'm just gonna put some JB Welding shit on these freaking welds.
Yeah.
Send her.
Wow. Power.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Con Dizzle, successful day. Appreciate it.
Definitely. We got a lot of stuff done.
Beamer's looking mint.
Beamer needs a wrap.
Yeah.
Subi needs to be ready for autocross.
Yeah, right. On stretch tires.
Yep.
I'm gonna do it actually.
Do it.
100. It's gonna rub so bad, but
Just for a day.
yeah.
One. Oh yeah, man. That's it.
So the exhaust is fixed a lot better than before. It's probably like half the volume it was. Still got the Subi, you know, like rumble, whatever.
Use the right lane to take exit 57 and onto County Highway 16 toward Horse Block Road West.
Got it. So yeah, everything's going good. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and peace out.